Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, fog lights, compass, CD player, trip computer, electronic stability control, tachometer, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, steering wheel controls. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.